During this corona pandemic, we all are facing a common problem, that how to keep our house clean, because housemates are absent now and this is a one task that cannot be done online. So all of us are thinking how we can keep our house sparkling clean without doing our hands dirty. If you want to know how you can keep your house clean without making your hands dirty, watch this video till the end. Hi friends, I am Shudeshna and welcome to my channel Lifestyle by Shudeshna. I was looking for a branded mop in an affordable price. Now I bought this Pigeon Enjoy mop from Flipkart at a price of 799 rupees. Now let's open the box and see what is inside. There is a 2 package. In one package there is a mop bucket and the other one is a mop stick. Now inside the mop bucket there is 2 microfiber mops. There is a liquid dispenser. This bottle comes in a pumping bottle and also there is a space where you can put the liquid dispenser in the mop bucket. Now there is a mop head where the mops need to be fixed and this need to be attached with the mop stick for mopping. The mop head has a flexible mechanism. It gets rotated in 360 degree. The head is also flexible enough so that it can be rotated in angles. Now in the first move you can find it a little harder, but after regular usage it will become a little flexible and you can use it regularly without any problem. This is the mop bucket. In the mop bucket there is one cone where you drip the mop into the water, and in the second compartment you squeeze the excess water from the mop. It is a mechanized drying via twisted handle. It is easy and flexible, and with this mop you no need to contact with any water or any poisonous cleaning agent. This mop bucket has a handle so that it becomes easy to carry it from one room to another room. In some models you can find that there are also wheels attached in the mop bucket, but in this it has a handle only. In the bottom portion of the bucket there is a knob given. By using it you can drain the dirty water without making your hands dirty. A user manual including a warranty card is also given inside the mop bucket. If you want the instruction manual to be given, then I will scan it and put it in the description box. Now let's fix the mop stick first. It comes into 2 parts and let's fix it rotating inside one another. Now there is also a height adjustable mechanism. You can set the height of the mop stick according to your requirement. First remove the knob from the mop head. Now we have to fix the mop head into the mop stick. First place the mop stick perpendicularly and then push it into the mop head and fix the knob. Now let's unpack the microfiber mop and see how it is. It is soft and white in color. It can be used for both dry and wet mopping. In the microfiber mop there is a mop head which needs to be fixed with the mop stick. Just press the microfiber mop in the mop head and give a little pressure. If you can't do it with your hands, then do it with your legs. After setting the mop in the mop stick, it will look like this. Now this is the view of the mop after assembling all the components. While using the mop stick, you need to first unlock the height adjustable knob and then squeeze it into the water. After that you need to place it into the spinner to drain the excess water. Here the bristles are coming out, but it will come down when you actually put it into the water due to gravity. Now I will give you a live demonstration how you can use it to mop your floor. Now take water in the mop bucket. Though there is no water indicator given in the bucket, but you have to take water below the spinner level so that the water don't sparkle when you spin the mop. First, unlock the height adjustable knob and squeeze it in the water. Rotate it for 1 or 2 times, and then when your mop gets wet properly, put it into the dryer compartment to squeeze the excess water. Now the spinner will squeeze out the excess water and the mop will become lighter in weight. And then you fix the height according to your requirement and then fix the knob. Now you are here ready to mop your floor. The main advantage of the mop stick is you can clean the difficult to reach areas like under the sofa or bed easily by using this mop. Here I am giving you a live demonstration how it reaches the difficult corners of the house with a 360-degree rotation. Friends, I have demonstrated that how I have used this pigeon mop to clean my house. I found this sufficient for my 2 BHK apartment. Now this spin mops comes in different brand and in different categories, so the pricing are also different. I bought this at a price of $7.99 and I find it efficient enough to clean my house. Friends, if you are also using this spin mop, please share your experience in the comment below, and if you want to buy this pigeon spin mop, then I am sharing the link in the description box. Friends, if you have liked my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Lifestyle by Sudeshnas, and also press the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever a new video is uploaded.